WHOISKINGSHAWN is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's WHOISKINGSHAWN, and we're back again with another banger. Today, we're going to be doing a quick video on the CFPB. I'm going to be showing you how you can file a proper complaint on the 3 credit bureaus that refuse to remove inaccuracies that's reporting on your credit report. So the first thing you're going to do, you don't have to be scrolling down and looking everywhere. You're going to go right up here to the right hand corner where the submit button is at. You're going to hit that. Once you click that, you'll see submit a complaint about a financial product or service. Most companies respond in 15 days, right? So you're going to scroll right down, simple and easy. Once you get to right here, it's going to say start a new complaint, right? You're going to hit that. Once you hit that, you're going to go right here and you gotta set up your profile. Put your first, last name, email, phone number, password. Once you do that, you're going to sign up, you're going to verify, then you're going to be ready to move on to actual file this. Once you set up your profile and you're all logged in, you can go right here where it says submit a complaint. Once you do that, you will scroll down what it says, what is a complaint about, right? Everybody's situation is going to be a little different. So you got to remember that, right? Different boxes work for different people. I never did anything on mortgage, paydays, prepaid cards, none of that. Anything I ever used it for was about credit issues, right? So I will go to this box right here. Simple. Credit reporting or personal consumer reports, background check, employment, tenants, screening, right? You're going to scroll right back down. I'm going to do this slow and simple so you can follow, so you don't have no excuses. You don't got to be in the comments. You don't got to be in my DM asking me the same questions, right? You're going to, what type of credit reporting product? We're going to hit this one right here, credit reporting, right? Once you hit that, now you're going to move on to the next page. Once you're on this page, you can see right here, what type of problem are you having, right? Most of the credit reporting complaints we get are about one or the following topic. Select the one that best describes your complaint. You will have the chance to explain your complaint details in the next step, right? So you're going to move on, right? And the one that you are going to pick is this one right here. Incorrect information on your report, account, personal information, incorrect information, not mine. Again, this is for educational use only. I'm just showing you how to do it the proper way when you're trying to file these kind of complaints, right? So you're going to scroll right down right here. Once you get here, it's going to have which best describes your problem, right? It could be, everybody's going to be different. You got to remember that, right? Information belongs to someone else, right? Information is missing that should be on the report. Account information inaccurate, right? A lot of different things for different people. For me, I will pick account information incorrect, but some people will pick information belongs to someone else, or people will pick information is missing. Every time I did it, I always pick account information incorrect, right? Once you move there, we're going to move on down. Have you already tried to fix this problem with the company? Obviously, if you're trying to fix your credit yourself, or if you had a credit agency working on your credit report, they couldn't get it off, right? So you're going to press yes. You're going to move on. Did you request information from this company? Obviously, yes, right? Go down here, you explain whatever your details is. Did the company provide you this information, right? Yes or no? When I did it, no. Move right along, because you know they always fighting. They don't want to delete anything. When you obviously have inaccuracies reporting on your credit report, might be your address, might have something to do with certain laws that has to do with certain collections that's reporting, charge-offs, late payments, whatever it may be. Because you got to remember, what's happening with me or somebody else, everybody's going to be different, right? So you're going to move right along down here. What happens, right? Describe what happened, and we'll send you your comments to the companies involved, right? Include dates, amounts, actions, and where taken by you on the company. That's simple and easy, right? So you're going to break down little information about this complaint. It might have something to do with laws or of inaccuracies reporting on with that collection, a lot of different things, right? You'll check this. What will be a fair resolution to this issue? Obviously, to get it removed and get it deleted off my credit report. You know, like I said, it could be that collection, it could be that charge off, it could be inquiries that you actually didn't, you didn't do, that you show, like when you go to dealerships or whatever it may be, you tell them to pull 1, they pull 7. For everybody's going to be different. Again, and any kind of documents you want to provide, you will hit click, and then next will just basically you'll be starting the whole process over. So I just showed you real quick how to file the complaint. Again, it's up to you. You got to do the work. Again, this is the CFPB. Again, educational use only. Always do things the proper way and the right way. Get in the comments if you use this and it worked for you. Like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.